Kamusta kayo, grade 10 students namin? Andito ulit si Teacher B para tulungan ka na lalong mahalin ang mathematics. Itutuloy natin yung lesson natin about polynomial functions. So, nakaraang video ko, pinaliwanag ko na sa inyo kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng polynomial functions and mga samples niya. And at the same time, yung mga terminologies na kailangan nyo tandaan. So, ang suggestion ko, kung hindi mo pa yun napapanood, panoorin mo muna yun. Then, saka ka pumunta rito sa graph ng polynomial functions. Again, this is our learning objective. You're going to learn how to interpret the graphs of polynomial functions. So, ready na kayo? So, let's begin. Paano ba natin malalaman na ang graph natin ay polynomial functions without computation by just looking at our graph? So, ito ngayon yung tinatawag nating vertical line test. So, para malaman natin kung polynomial function yung graph natin, gagawin natin is magdodrawing lang tayo ng vertical line in any part of the graph. And if the vertical line intersects the graph at exactly 1 point, the graph is a polynomial function. So, kailangan, pag nag-drawing tayo ng vertical line sa graph, so kahit saang part ng graph, nag-drawing tayo ng vertical line, dapat meron lang intersection na 1 point sa graph and dun sa vertical line na din-drawing natin. So, kapag may 1 point, or nag-intersect siya at 1 point, polynomial function. Pero kung hindi, halimbawa 2 points or more than 2 points or more than 1 point, that is not a polynomial function. So, magpakita tayo ng sample. So, let's say I have this graph. Ayan. So, gusto nating malaman kung ito ba ay polynomial function or not. So, gagamitin natin is vertical line test lang. Mag-drawing tayo ng vertical line sa kahit saang part ng graph natin. So, say for example, dito ako nag-drawing ng line. Tignan natin. Nag-intersect ba at 1 point yung ating vertical line and itong ating graph? Okay, so makikita nyo may intersection at 1 point. So, meaning, dahil nag-intersect sila at 1 point, we can say that this is a polynomial function. And kahit ilagay mo pa yan sa kabilang side, so let's say dito ako naglagay sa kabilang side, dyan ako nag-drawing ng vertical line. Tignan ninyo, mag-i-intersect pa rin yung line natin at saka yung graph at 1 point pa rin. So, dito pa rin, 1 point pa rin siya. So, therefore, this is a graph of polynomial function. Okay, another. How about this one? So, this is our graph and gamit ang vertical line test, mag-drawing tayo ng vertical line. So, dito ako mag-drawing. So, tignan natin. Nag-intersect ba at 1 point yung ating line and yung graph? Okay, makikita nyo naman na hindi 1 point, kundi 2 points. Nag-intersect sila rito, nag-intersect din sila rito. So, 2 points ang intersection nila. So, therefore, dahil hindi sila nag-intersect at exactly 1 point, this is not a polynomial function. Okay? How about this one? Itong graph natin. Is it a polynomial function or not? So, drawing ulit tayo ng vertical line. Then, tignan natin, nag-intersect ba at 1 point yung graph natin and then yung line na din-drawing natin? Okay, so nag-intersect siya at 1 point dito. So, meaning, this graph is a polynomial function. Okay, so ganun lang. Mag-drawing ka lang ng vertical line sa graph mo. Then, pag tumama sa isang point, nagtagpo sa isang point, yung line and then yung graph, that is a polynomial function. Pero kung hindi, maraming points ang nabuo or nag-intersect, so this is not, or that graph is not a polynomial function. Okay. Paano naman natin masasabi kung increasing or decreasing yung ating graph? So, paano natin i-interpret yung graph natin? So, if the right hand of the graph tends upward, the graph is increasing. And if the right hand of the graph tends downward, then the graph is decreasing. So, madaling tandaan, yung right hand ng graph o yung right part ng graph, pag pataas siya, ibig sabihin, increasing. Pag pababa, edi ibig sabihin, decreasing. So, ano ba yung sinasabing right hand? So, yung right hand, yung nandito sa kanan. So, dito sa graph na to, ayan. Ito yung right hand ng graph natin dito. At makikita nyo naman na pababa siya. Diba? Pababa siya. So, ibig sabihin, this is decreasing. While dito sa kabila, yung right hand niya, so asa ng right hand niya, o yung right part, o nandito, ang kanyang graph ay pataas. Okay, so ibig sabihin, this is increasing. Okay, so madedetermine natin kung increasing or decreasing ba yung graph doon sa ating right hand of the graph. So sa right side tayo titingin, hindi dito kung saan siya nagsimula here. Okay, hindi sa left hand, kundi dun sa right hand or right part ng ating graph, dun natin malalaman kung increasing or decreasing yung ating function. Paano kung may given equation lang, walang graph na binigay? Paano natin malalaman kung increasing or decreasing? So, titingin ngayon tayo dun sa leading coefficient. So, pag sinabi natin leading coefficient, ito yung number na meron dun sa term natin na may mataas na exponent. So, kung positive yun, ibig sabihin, increasing yung graph natin. Pero kung negative yun, ibig sabihin, decreasing. Para mas maintindihan, ititignan natin yung ating example. So, we have this function, f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 5x plus 4. Ang leading coefficient natin dito, okay, is 2. Tama? Bakit ito ang naging leading coefficient? Ito yung term na mayroong mataas na exponent, yung 3. Okay, so yung coefficient natin is positive 2. So dahil positive yung ating leading coefficient, ang ating graph ay increasing. Okay? Pero, let's say this one, f of x is equal to negative 3x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 1. Ang leading coefficient natin dito is negative 3. So, negative. So, dahil negative yung ating leading coefficient, ang ating graph ay pababa or decreasing. Okay? So, ganun natin malalaman kung increasing or decreasing. Titingin tayo dun sa ating leading coefficient. Ano naman natin malalaman yung number of turns? So, the number of possible turns of the graph is its degree less than 1. So, halimbawa, itong example natin, 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 5x plus 4. Ang degree natin o highest exponent natin dito ay 3. So, para malaman mo kung ilang beses iikot yung graph or ilang beses siya magto-turn, i-minus mo yung degree sa 1. Okay? So, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Ibig sabihin, ang number of possible turns ng graph natin dito ay 2. Okay? Again, para makuha natin yung number of turns ng ating graph, degree n or yung highest exponent minus 1. So, that is the number of turns. So, halimbawa, ito na yung graph nga natin kanina. So, ang leading coefficient natin is 2. Kaya, increasing yan. Kaya, ang right hand ng graph natin is rising. Tama? So, dahil pataas to, increasing, so rising. And ilan ang possible turns? So, 2. Kasi 3 minus 1 is 2. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung first turn natin, simula dito sa rising. So, first turn, isang unang ikot natin. Then, pangalawang turn, ayan. So, makikita natin na yung left side niya is falling. So, falling to rising. Okay. Therefore, we can say that the graph of f of x, 2x cubed minus 8x squared minus 5x plus 4 is increasing, falls to the left, and rises to the right. Okay? So, falls to the left, tapos rising, or rises to the right. Okay, so magpakita pa tayo ng iba pang example. In the graph of an even degree polynomial that is increasing, the left hand is rising and the right hand is also rising. While in an even degree polynomial that is decreasing, the left hand is falling and the right hand is falling as well. So, madali lang tandaan, kung even yung ating degree, ano ba yung mga even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on, yung mga divisible by 2s. So, yan yung mga even numbers natin. So, kapag ang ating degree o yung highest exponent ay even, pareho lang ang kanilang left hand and right hand. Okay? Again, kung positive ang ating leading coefficient or increasing, so rising yan. Pareho silang rising. Yung left hand and right hand niya is rising. But kung negative ang ating leading coefficient tapos even yung ating degree, parehas naman silang falling or decreasing, pababa. Okay? So, ganoon lang. Pag even, pareho lang sila. Huwag kayong malito. Pag even, yung ating degree, pareho sila. Yung left hand and right hand nila, pareho ng patutunguhan. Okay? Kung ang left hand is rising, yung right hand niya is also rising. And kung falling, yung ating right hand is also falling. Pero kung ang ating degree naman ay odd numbers, eto na. Dito na naman, makikita ninyo, magka-opposite, magkabaliktad. Greater than 0 or positive yung ating leading coefficient dito. So, increasing. So, automatic yung right hand niya is rising. Kasi increasing to positive. So, rising. So, yung left hand niya falling. Okay? So, magkabaliktaran sila. Kung rising to, itong left hand niya is falling. So, kung ang atin namang leading coefficient ay negative, so decreasing siya, falling. So, falling to. Pero dahil ito ay odd, hindi sila pareho. Yung left hand niya is yung kabaliktaran ng falling, which is rising. Okay? So let's say I have this one, polynomial function, f of x is equal to x raised to 7. Ngayon, i-complete natin yung table. So, kita nyo naman na yung ating leading coefficient o yung number natin dito ay positive. Kaya ito ay increasing. Okay. Dahil ito ay increasing, yung right hand niya is rising. Diba? Again, increasing to, kaya rising siya. Ngayon, i-analyze natin yung ating degree o yung ating exponent. Highest exponent. Highest exponent natin is 7. Is it odd or even? So, this is odd. Paano naman natin malalaman yung number of possible terms? So, degree minus 1. So, yung 7, bawasan mo lang ng 1. Kaya, meron tayong possible terms na 6. Okay. So, dahil ito ay odd, tandaan niyo kapag ang degree natin ay odd, di ba kabaliktaran sila? Kung rising itong right hand, ang left hand is falling. Ayan. Pa na example natin, negative 5x squared minus 3x plus 1. So, is it increasing or decreasing? So, tingin tayo dun sa leading coefficient natin, itong negative 5x squared. So, negative 5 ang leading coefficient natin. So, meaning, dahil negative, ito ay decreasing. At dahil ito ay decreasing, yung right hand niya ay falling. Okay? Again, dahil ito ay decreasing, falling ang right hand. Ngayon, tignan natin yung ating degree o yung highest exponent. Ang highest exponent is 2. Is it even or odd? Okay. Obviously, this is even. Tapos, ang possible terms, so bawasan lang natin ng isa, yung degree. Yung 2, bawasan mo ng isa, so 1. At dahil ito ay even, tandaan ninyo, pareho lang sila lagi, di ba, pag even. Kung ang right hand ay falling, ang left hand ay falling din. So, ayan. Next, number 3, f of x is equal to x raised to 6 minus 3. So, ang ating leading coefficient, o yung a natin dito, is positive. So, meaning, this is increasing. So, increasing. Tapos, ang right hand natin, dahil increasing, edi rising. Ngayon, tignan natin ang kanyang degree. Yung 6, ano ba yung 6? Even or odd? So, this is even. Tapos, ang possible terms ay 5. Kasi binawasan lang natin ng isa, yung 6. At dahil ito ay even, pareho sila, di ba? Kung rising yung right hand, rising din ang left hand. So, ang answer natin sa left hand is rising. Okay? So, even. So, pareho yan. Rising and rising. So, i-summarize lang natin para mas maliwanagan kayo. Kapag ang degree natin ay even, makikita nyo naman pareho lang yung left hand and right hand nila. Magiging rising or increasing to kung ang A natin is positive. Then, kung negative naman yung A natin, edi decreasing or pareho silang falling. At kapag odd numbers naman yung ating degree, so makikita nyo yung behavior ng graph natin ay magkaiba, magkabaliktaran sila. Kung ang left hand ay falling, ang right hand is rising. Kung ito naman ay rising, ito ay falling. Okay? So, that's it. I hope na mas naliwanagan at naiintindihan ninyo yung ating graph. Kaya tandaan nyo lang yung mga terminologies natin. Okay? And if may mga questions kayo, type nyo lang yan sa baba. Okay? At huwag kalimutan, syempre, na i-share to sa mga kaklase nyo para sila rin ay matuto sa mathematics. So, kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod kong lesson. Again, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, click mo na yung subscribe button at I-click na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos na ina-upload ni Teacher B. See you again in my next video and goodbye!